Skyhawk 4 November Juliet, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
12 left, clear for takeoff, 4 November Juliet. Okay, runway is confirmed.
Okay.
Finding the center line.
Excellent.
Okay, instruments are in the green, airspeed alive. And 60 knots. Okay, 500 feet AGL, turning crosswind.
Skyhawk 4 November Juliet, runway 12 left, clear for the option.
Runway 12 left, clear for the option, 4 November Juliet.
Good evening, North Las Vegas Tower, helicopter TV-13, we're at the BLM ramp with information Bravo. Requesting eastbound takeoff, eastbound departure into the Nellis Bravo, outer below 3000.
TV-13 North Las Vegas Tower, departure from the BLM ramp at your own risk. Use caution to traffic, Skyhawk and left downwind for runway 12 left.
I'll be looking for the Skyhawk TV-13 and clear across midfield 12.
TV-13, affirmative cross runway 12 right and 12 left.
12 left, 12 right, midfield TV-13, we're on the go.
Your shopping center?
Yep.
He took us to Nellis.
What?
He took us out to Nellis. Before turning downwind there. You're fine. You might be able to see those tanks off your left wing now.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for and didn't spot them until much later.
Do you see them now?
Yep.
Don't look for things that you can't see in the dark.
Roger.
Got to make adjustments. The airport beacon is your reference.
Okay.
This is fine.
Okay, carb on. Drawing back power, drawing back power. 85 knots, 10 degrees of flaps. See the shopping center.
And Tower TV-13 will be switching over to Nellis.
TV-13, roger, contact Nellis Tower 132.55. Have a good night.
TV-13, thank you.
Okay, turning base now. 20 degrees of flaps. Keeping her coming down. Speed looks good.
Speed looks fast. We're about 65 to 70 on your base turn.
Okay.
Alright. Do you hold it off?
Back to idle, holding it off.
Nose up.
Holding.
Beautiful. Just hold it off. Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Here comes the ground. Beauty.
Thanks, sir.
Alright, we're taking it to Kilo.
Skyhawk 4 November Juliet, runway 12 left, taxi via Kilo Delta Alpha.
Kilo Delta Alpha to 12 left, 4 November Juliet.
Nice job, man. Those are really nice.
Thank you.
A lot of people have a lot of trouble with it tonight, but you're being patient, keeping that nose off, and that's all you really got to do.
Thanks.
North Las Vegas Tower, helicopter Metro 3 to the Metro pad. We have Bravo, would like to paddle work at Papa.
Metro 3 North Las Vegas Tower, departs from the mesh pad at your own risk. Proceed direct taxiway Papa, clear for the option on the go, left traffic.
Left traffic for Papa on the go, Metro 3.
Oh, so Louise just texted me earlier. I guess I'll be in tomorrow to do the, to show him my flight planning for the solo on Wednesday. Cross country stuff.
You have to get an instructor to sign it the day of.
Yeah, he was gonna leave it at the office or something like that. He's like, yeah, I don't actually have to be here. I was gonna sign it and leave it in the office.
For the date that it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure that it's dated.
Okay.
The day that you fly.
Got it. Do you know if he wants it in paper form? Like,
No, your flight plan on the iPad will be fine. He just wants you to he just wants you to demonstrate that you checked all the weather, all the NOTAMs, everything that's in 91103.
Okay, got it.
And that you've got a contingency plan for unforecast weather or any kind of emergency.
Okay.
So diverting to Perkins if you're between here, or declaring a wind emergency if it's gusting 40 here at weather emergency if it's gusting 40 here at North Las Vegas.
Gotcha.
Tower Metro 3 is on the go, Papa.
Metro 3, taxiway Papa, clear for the option.
Yeah.
Taxiway Papa, clear for the option, Metro 3.
We were up on a variable 6 day doing pattern work. Third time around, we got a wind shift on downwind for 12 right, reported it, and they're like, oh, yeah, we're shifting the runways now. Second time around, it was, or by the time we came on the runway, we came down, lined up on downwind. I was like, well, this is not happening. We're going about 110 miles, 110 knots. Jeez, there's no way we're slowing this thing down. So I was going around. We entered right traffic for 3 zeros. And the wind was like 10 at like 25 gust 29.
Jesus Christ.
Or no, it was like more like 030. It was almost a direct 25 knot crosswind. And it sucked. It was not fun.
I bet. I mean, in that case, you really just got to focus on getting the upwind gear down first and staying on the rudders and stuff like that.
Yep. Just being patient, making sure that that aileron's into the wind so it doesn't flip you.
Right, right.
That's the main concern with wind that strong in a small airplane is that you open up your belly and it punches you in the gut.
That will be bad.
Skyhawk 4 November Juliet, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
2 left, clear for takeoff, 4 November Juliet.
Okay, double check lights. Looks good.
Yep, lights look good. Instruments look good.